Today on fin plowing I need to remove some snow in order to get to Lydia, which is that boat over there. Let the fun begin. And now starts the fun part. I need to put those ladders to their place and then go after that. So, enjoy! As you can see, there is my camera setup that is still filming. I have cleared all the snow out, and there was a lot of it. There was something like 70 centimeters on top of that. So little bit less stress on the boat standing legs, like those things that hold the hull in place. So now that I have cleared this cockpit, we can try to make an entry and see if there is something left inside. Not this key, perhaps this one? No, not that one. So many keys. Let's go through them once again. Woohoo! The lock opened. Let's see what's inside. Looks pretty okay. All this trouble to see that everything is okay. There is no water on the bilge. Little bit in there, but that's the place where it always accumulates. And yeah, seems fine. So, once again, thanks for watching me do some snow work on my boat, and this is the reason why I cannot do anything more in winter time, because there is that amount of snow. See you!